Satchidanandaye Ratudinna Japale. So she's going to read the exact meaning for you, and then you can enjoy, sing along in the chorus, and if you can speak Hindi, join in as well if you'd like in the verse. The call and response means he will lead you with one line, and the ladies here on stage will follow him in group response. So that's when you would join in too. So when we're ready, we'll just make sure everything's in tune with it. Sound. Okay, just let's hear your tabla. Very nice. Want to hear yourself for a moment? And test your mic first. Say hello, everybody. Oh, we can't hear him yet. So maybe just keep saying hello and say hello. There. Can you hear him? Maybe a little bit louder.
Hello.
So sweet. Maybe let's try Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste with full confidence. Let's give it a try. Go.
Namaste.
Like this. He knows actually, his father teaches him everything. Namaste. Try once more. Then it's a mic check actually. Okay. This works too. Right?
Namaste.
Good. I think we'll be able to hear you. Ah, see, you had somebody respond. That's wonderful. So the highest in me salutes the highest in you. That's what that means. So shall we start now? Can we hear Rita's Tanpoora? A little bit louder for Tanpoora. Can you hear that now? Wonderful. Rachna, you ready? Just test?
Testing.
Okay, we're gonna go. Ready? Oh, and the baby screams very well too. They love to say ah, 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 ah. When they hear the music, they'll calm down too. So we let them express and include. Chalo.
Please repeat the mantra Ram, which is the representative of eternal existence. All these are the names and sounds of the same eternal existence, where there is no form, there is no image, and which has no head. Therefore, realize that and repeat the mantra, so that the true nature of the formless knower will be realized. All around, everywhere, at distant places, there is only the form of supreme reality, Shiv, which is the nature of pure consciousness, and it is called by the seers the country of Cram.
Can you hear her? No, can't you? Here. Maybe
But it is not nothing.
Start
it
again.
is
Start
okay.
quickly again.
Please repeat the mantra Ram, which is representative of eternal existence. All these are the names and sounds of the same eternal existence, where there is no form, there is no image, and which has no head. Therefore, realize that and repeat the mantra, so that the true nature of the formless knower will be realized. All around, everywhere, at distant places, there is only the form of supreme reality, Shiv, which is the nature of pure consciousness, and it is called by the seers the country of Cram. But it is not nothing, it is the pure existence and consciousness. Please realize it while meditating and saying the mantra.
Ram Ram Ram
Very nice, Arya. Let's keep moving. So thank you very much, everybody. Our Kajal did show up, though. Kajal, come on up here. I want to introduce Kajal. I know she had maybe a little trouble. We were teasing you, Kajal, when you weren't here that you stayed up too late at night. We have to wind up in a few more minutes, but let's have Kajal just come up on the stage. You guys sit here with her mat, and she's going to just lead you quickly through once of each of the poses she knows. If you have to go, I don't want you to miss this.